Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this fruit slices bag charm. I got this idea from one of my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much for giving me this idea. Hope you enjoy this video. And I can say that this pattern is pretty simple and also quick to make because we only need one pattern to make all these fruits, or you can even make more fruits in different colors. So if you need some cute gift but only have last minute, this is a perfect project to go for you. For this project, I'm using 5-ply milk cotton yarn, or you can also use any kind of worsted weight yarn, a 3.5mm hook, a scissors, a tapestry needle, and a stitch marker. So let's get started. First, we will start the front side with white yarn. Make a slip knot, or you can also use the magic ring. Continue with chain 2 or chain 1 if you use the magic ring. Then make 6 single crochet in the very first chain. Then in the last single crochet, we're going to change the color. This time I'm using the orange color since I'm going to make an orange. Next, we will continue to the second round. We will make increase and repeat for 6 times. In the end, we will have 12 single crochet. Since we are going to keep working around without any slip stitch in every round, don't forget to always put on a stitch marker in the first single crochet. Oh yeah, I also keep getting the same question from you guys about how to crochet a flat circle. And the most important thing you should know about how to crochet a flat circle is always control your tension and never crochet too tight. You also have to keep increasing in every round so it will stay flat and doesn't fold by itself. So this is how round 2 is supposed to look like, and now we are going to continue to the third round. For the third round, we will make 1 single crochet and then 1 increase, repeat for 6 times. So in the end, we will have 18 single crochet. And this is how round 3 is supposed to look like, and now we will continue to the fourth round. But before we continue, as you can see here, we still have a flat and nice circle. Now we will continue to the fourth round. In this round, we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 increase and another 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 6 times. So in the end, we will have 24 single crochet. Basically, this pattern is the same as the regular pattern that we know, which is 2 single crochet and then 1 increase. But I changed the position or the order of the stitches, so in the end, we will have a nice circle instead of a hexagon. I will continue repeating this pattern and then we will meet at the end of the round. And this is how round 4 supposed to look like. Now we will continue to the 5th round. Okay, for the 5th round we will make 3 single crochet and then 1 increase. Repeat this pattern for 6 times. In the end we will have 30 single crochet. I will continue repeating this pattern and we will meet at the end of the round. Now this is our last single crochet in the 5th round and we will change the color with the white yarn. Then we will continue to round 6 with this white yarn. Next, for this round 6, we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 increase and then 3 single crochet. Repeat this pattern for 6 times. So in the end we will have 36 single crochet. Again, this pattern is actually the same with the common pattern that we know, which is 4 single crochet and then 1 increase, but I changed the position of the stitches, so in the end we will have a perfect circle shape instead of a hexagon. I will continue repeating this pattern and then we will meet at the end of the round. And now this is our last single crochet in this round and we are going to change the color with the orange one. Then we will continue to the row 7. For row 7, we will make 5 single crochet and then 1 increase. Repeat this pattern for 6 times. So in the end, we will have 42 single crochet. I will continue repeating this pattern and then we will meet at the end of the round. So this is how it's supposed to look like after we finish the 7th round. And as you can see here, it's tied flat and we have a nice circle. Now we will continue to make the little loop. First we have to make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue with chain 5. Then slip stitch in the next stitch. Next, finish off with chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. Now Now we will add the details to make it look more like an orange. We will use a tapestry needle and a strand of white yarn to make the details. Don't forget to make a little knot in the end of the strand of the yarn. So we have finished the front side of our orange bag charm, and we will make another one for the back side using the same pattern. The only difference is instead of making 5 chain, we are going to make 50 chain for the long strap. And now we already have the both sides, and it's time to sew them together. First, we have to make sure that both of the round sides are facing up each other like so. Then grab our tapestry needle and a strand of orange yarn. We will start sewing from the 6th single crochet. We will continue sewing until we reach the other side of the back charm. We have finished our orange back charm, and now I will show you all the details of the other fruits so you can also make it. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Also, if you make this bag charm, don't forget to tag me on my social media, or if you have any question, just leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.